My name is Jessica, and welcome to Elastic Daily Bytes. This season, we're going to be focusing on OpenTelemetry. We're going to have daily content for the next few weeks on the weekdays, and it's designed to help get you started with OpenTelemetry. We're going to be covering the basics, and hopefully you'll be able to get up and running after watching this series. In this series, we're going to cover how to get started with the OpenTelemetry collector, Python, JavaScript, Java, and more. OpenTelemetry is an observability framework that is open source and vendor neutral. It is designed to work with any backend system. It enables comprehensive monitoring across services and platforms. In early 2019, the OpenTelemetry project was announced. It is a merger of two existing projects, OpenTracing and OpenCensus. It provides standardized libraries, APIs, and tools needed to collect telemetry data such as metrics, logs, and traces. OpenTelemetry is a work in progress. Things are always changing, things are always improving. For me personally, every time that I use it, it's always getting better. So why use OpenTelemetry? Well, we work with complex interconnected systems as developers these days. There are lots of microservices. OpenTelemetry enables us to have a comprehensive view across the entire system, not just isolated parts. Therefore, it is also designed to be comprehensive, but also one of the key features that I think is really cool about OpenTelemetry is that it offers vendor agnostic tools that offer greater flexibility and compatibility across many different systems. Therefore, it's designed to be future-proof so that if you like using one set of tools today, you can keep using them, or if new and different tools come about or those tools change, you can also keep using them as well, and the way that you monitor them will all speak the same language to each other, and that language is OpenTelemetry. For today, we're going to be using the Elastic fork of the main OpenTelemetry demo. And what's really exciting about this is that this is an application that is designed to kind of mimic what a application would look like. And we're going to be using this throughout the season. For each episode, we will be using this official Elastic fork of the OpenTelemetry demo, just to kind of show you what things look like. So we're going to take a look at this, but the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clone this repository to get started with it. And then from there, you're going to want to make sure that you have Docker loaded and that you can run that locally. So now that you have cloned the repository, from here, you just want to grab your keys and tokens that you're going to need. So the easiest way to do this is to go into observability and click where it says overview. And then from here, what you can do is you can click where it says getting started. And if you want to click where it says monitor my application performance, from here, you can also say that you are using OpenTelemetry. And from here, you can actually go to a page where you can actually kind of get everything started. And then to get your keys and tokens, you'd want to click where it says OpenTelemetry to grab all the keys and tokens that you will need to get started connecting to the OpenTelemetry demo. So inside of the code editor of your choosing, you are going to want to make sure that you pass in your auth token with any authorization header that you need. And you also want to make sure that you have your endpoint correctly set up. And this will allow you to make sure that you have kind of everything ready to go so that you can connect to OpenTelemetry. You might be wondering, what is OTLP? This is often something that is an acronym that is thrown around a lot with OpenTelemetry. The OpenTelemetry protocol, which is what OTLP stands for, is a specification that outlines how telemetry data is encoded, transported, and delivered between telemetry sources through intermediary nodes like collectors to telemetry backends. If you have Docker started, from here you can actually type where it says make start, and you can get started connecting to the OpenTelemetry demo. So once everything is running, you should get this message that says that the OpenTelemetry demo is running, and it points you to where to view the demo locally.
So this is what the demo should look like when it's running locally. If you click Go Shopping, you'll see some telescopes and things like that. But this is what the demo app should look like in your local host environment. And then in Elastic, what we can do is if we go to where it says observability and overview, we can actually see these services running. And to double check that, if we go under APM and then services, we can actually see all of the services that we started with our demo application.
Thanks so much for watching today. Really appreciated you tuning in. Tomorrow, we're going to be diving in deeper into sending data via a collector.